Okay, you walk in and this was our little trash can. Then we have some little trash, and this is what we're working with. Okay, this was our curriculum from this past year. It's not a lot, but I kept like important papers and kind of like assessments that they did. So let me know how I have to keep them or how long I have to keep them for. I'm gonna have to check with my state, but this is what we're working with. I went to Target Dollar Spot, got some things for a little school supply haul that will be coming soon after this video, but we will be organizing this whole room. I wanted to paint it, but hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am organizing and cleaning out our little homeschool room. So we were gonna do schooling during the summer, and we did that for like a couple of weeks, and we really got burnt out. So we took a break, and we got a couple of weeks left of July before school starts, and we really needed this break. We really needed to recuperate, and hopefully we can kind of ease back in whenever we're ready to do school again. So I really need to clean this out and get it organized. This is what we're working with. All this was our little table from that we were using last year, but whenever I went to Walmart the other day, I saw these cute little rectangular desks, but they're way they're not as wide as this one. And on the desk on this side, they have like 2 or 3 little drawers. I thought it would have been neat if they each had one, but we put them together and they can sit across from each other and put like their own little pencil bags and whatever knickknacks they want in the drawers. So I'm gonna have to talk to my husband, see if we can get those, but if not, we're just gonna have to get another black chair because the yellow chair was not doing it last year. So without further ado, let's just get into organizing this little schoolroom. Let's just get into organizing this little schoolroom and see what we can do here. Okay, so I had an idea to build something on the wall, but my husband had to set his work and it was just sitting there, so I brought it home, and I kind of like how it is looking right there. It's sort of overwhelming because like it's such a small space, and I feel like we have a lot, and I just let it get to this point of crowdiness. Just don't know what to do with things. I kind of have this wall pretty much decent. So I'm kind of digging this wall so far. I'm going to start right here. This is all Channing's personal reading books. These are books that deal with curriculum or extra educational books. And right here we have just books for Brentley and her personal books. This cubby is like the Water Wow books and writing books, just occupied books and some little notepads. Okay, if you do KiwiCo, let me know how you store these. We love them for like science and educational purposes, but sometimes we don't finish them all and we keep them, which I like because we can do them for school. But like, do you display all the finished products on the shelf or just keep them in their room? How do y'all store them? Because I want to display their artwork, but I'm not sure how I want to do that, or just let them put it in their room. Please let me know down below if you do KiwiCo and how you handle that situation. We have our Ranger Rick subscription magazines. We like to look at them and all the animals and read about them. Then we have the books that came with the KiwiCo boxes, so I just put them right here next to our Ranger Rick, and these are the little magazines as well that come with KiwiCo. So this goes along with each other. So these books are too tall to fit on the shelf, so that's why I had them laying down, but I don't know if I like that idea or if I should just stand these up and put them on this shelf and then keep these over here. I'm not sure because I kind of want to fill them up, but we're gonna figure something out. I don't want the kids to like, if they need a book all the way down here, to have to take it out or try to lift it because because it's heavy. So should I just stand these books up right here or leave it like this and I'll just grab the book for them? What y'all think? This is an example of what it looks like so far. I'm just gonna straighten this up, wipe all those markers off. Right here is going to be like my mommy cart and like a catch-all cart. I just need to clean it out. This over here is the art cart and I just need to get there. I'm not there yet, but I'm just working still right here. Whenever you walk into our little schoolroom, we have the trash can, my mommy cart, our shelf, and then this is going to be where our unit study books are going to go. This is our morning basket. This is my ring light when I film. I need to take it out. This is something to do with first day of school. If you watch my other video, you will see what I'm talking about. Our books. I am going to add some more posters here. Brain, would you like to show them your desk?
Yeah.
This is not the original desk I had in mind. This is Channing's desk. I'm gonna get him a different chair. This is not the original desk I had in mind, but it will do, and it was cheaper, so.
Big thumbs up.
Yes.
Give a big thumbs up. Watch our video and a big thumbs up.
Yes, watch our video and like it. So this is their little, they each have this little shelving idea with their actual desk.
My mommy let me have the black chair.
Yeah. This is something out of her little KiwiCo crate.
We had a binder.
Yep. Then they each have a little pencil pouch and then some curriculum books. Ooh. And that's where they're going to store some of their curriculum. Brinley already kind of set hers up.
Guys, look.
And this is some little fun things for the first day of school.
And tattoos.
And tattoos. Channing's side. This is something I need to laminate and print. This is something I need to laminate. This is Channing's first day of school stuff. When you come in here, it is our art cart. A lot of extra colors and then some games and then storage all here. And then we have this little basket. I need to fill it up, but this is whenever baby sister comes in here and wants to be involved. So this is our little homeschool room. What you think of our new pencil sharpener?
Yeah, I want some batteries.
So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed a little organizing in our little homeschool room. Bye guys.